please visit innovationworks.org. From there, select Programs and Internship Programs. Here, you can learn about our 2 different types of internship programs. If you're interested in applying for these programs and being connected with IW portfolio companies, please select Submit an Interest Form today. Once you're on the Intern Information form, please submit all required information. Please be sure to indicate which type of internship you are looking for and when your preferred start date is. Upload a resume if you have that or any other supporting information. Hit Submit. Once you submit your Internship Information form, you will then receive information in regards to exclusive IW portfolio internship opportunities. We'll let you know anytime there's a new opportunity available for you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreyas and I am one of the co-founders and the CTO at AdScate. At AdScate, we are developing technologies that enable brands run effective advertisement campaigns and reach out to the most relevant audiences online, while at the same time respecting the privacy of their intended customers. So if you're not a fan of companies tracking everything that you do online, what movies you've seen, what music you've listened to, what products you've bought, what sites you've browsed, etc., while at the same time you still want to be served ads that inform you about the latest and greatest products that you are interested in based on your lifestyle, we are the company that makes that possible. Over the past year, our technology platform has powered more than 60 campaigns for various brands across the eastern United States. And this year, we are trying to aggressively grow that number. As part of this effort, we are looking to hire a couple of interns who can help us develop our marketing and business objectives. Specifically, we are looking for help in improving the number of business leads we have. We're looking for someone who can act as the first point of contact for those business leads. At the same time, this person would also help us improve and develop more marketing material that can go on social media sites such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You will be able to work either remotely, or you also have the option to work on site at our office, which is on the campus of Carnegie Mellon University. At this location, you have the added advantage that you can interact with various other young companies and entrepreneurs working on very exciting problems. All in all, I feel this internship will be a great opportunity to apply the skills that you have acquired in an academic setting into a real world environment. Also, being a startup, this is a great opportunity for you to learn various facets of the business, as well as gain an understanding of the technology that drives our platform forward. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on the email address that is on your screen.
I'm Brian Scott, CEO at Pitmos.
Every year, gardeners and growers go through tons of bags of environmentally harmful peat-based soil. At Pitmos, we aim to solve this by taking paper waste from local landfills and transform it into high-performing soils.
Our goal would be to have a facility in every major metro area in the U.S. because every major metro area has a problem with waste. They're taking a ton of paper right now to the landfill. We want to prevent that. We want to turn it into upcycled soils that people can grow in throughout that particular region.
There is nothing on the market like Pitmos itself. It is a very unique, one-of-a-kind that is made solely out of those newspapers and cardboard that you're sending to the landfill. We might as well send it to Pitmos and let them make this amazing product. Over all the years that I've been in this industry itself, I've seen products come, I've seen products go, new products on the market that don't survive and so forth. Pitmos itself, Pitmos is going to be here forever.
For a generation, the only improvements to peat-based soils have been different amendments to fix it. With Pitmos, we have the opportunity to just engineer soil from a raw substance and make it do amazing things have the aeration, have the right pH, and have the right water absorption, because we're starting with a hydrophilic substance. So we're just naturally starting and creating from the get-go a better product.
We've noticed less watering. We have to retrain ourselves on how much we water our plants. But the performance has been, hands down, almost 50% more plant growth. So this is our pit moss grown geranium, and this is our regular soil grown geranium.
When we dig peat out of the ground, it's a precursor to basically vegetation that turns into coal over time. As soon as we drain that bog and expose that 1,000-year-old peat to air and light, it starts to oxidize the peat. What that means is it starts to automatically just vaporize carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. And a 1 cubic foot bag of peat moss is like burning 11 pounds of coal. Most people don't recognize that. It's really, really bad for the environment. And by us having this recycled material, we help reduce all of that carbon emissions that happens with peat mining.
So the difference between using pit moss as an amendment or just as itself versus a regular soil for the plant growth, when you look at the root ball or the root structure, there's a lot more root structure to the root ball, which allows the plant to bring up more nutrients and take what it needs from the soil.
I hang out at a lot of garden centers and talk to a lot of gardeners, and no one feels good about their gardening skills. We have an opportunity with pit moss to make everyone fall in love with growing and gardening again.
My customers have fallen in love with pit moss, and now that they are becoming more familiar with it, now that the name recognition is there, it's not even a question of having to sell them the product anymore. They come in and ask for it by name. The customers are telling me how much quicker it's growing, how much better it's growing, how much stronger it's growing. The plants are just thriving it. So Mother Nature loves you, and pit moss loves you too.
Thank you so much for taking some time to learn about pit moss today. We really hope that you grab a bag of pit moss for your garden. That will help us grow not only more plants, but also help further protect our wetlands and our natural resources. So pit moss is a great opportunity for you to join that mission and help us grow a beautiful planet.